Isn't that cute?
So I worked for OkCupid for a while.
Oh my gosh, scary.
I know, right? Behind the ear tattoo was a crazy night in Vegas.
Oh my god. High five. Yes, by me. What brings you to New York?
Well, you know, I've been doing comedy for a while, and one day I was like, I should try poverty. I need to try to really struggle to feed myself and see how bad I want this. And turns out I wanted it a lot. So I had to make the leap. And you know, when I moved, I sold everything I owned.
Nice. So you don't bring anything.
I moved with one suitcase
Cute.
and a houseplant.
Houseplant?
Yes. A
my
big
God.
money tree.
That's cute.
Yeah.
You always have?
And we just got on the mega bus. 2 hours later, I'm a New York City girl.
It's like a movie.
I know.
Right?
When I was looking out the window that day, I could hear the soundtrack of my life just playing in the background.
Do you have a favorite comedian?
It's hard to pick because I love so many, but I would say Dave Chappelle is my absolute favorite. And when I was in high school, he had a very popular TV show called The Chappelle Show. And that show made me want to go to high school every day just to talk about it with my friends every time it would come out. So the new episode would come out and I couldn't wait to go to school the next day to talk about it. To say, did you see how funny it was? And did you see the jokes he made?
Oh, wow.
So he had such a big influence on me. But I also really like Wanda Sykes. She's a female stand-up comedian, and she's just so talented, so great. She has written for other people. She's written for TV, and now she's in a lot of movies. You know,
Really?
She
As an actor?
She had a great transition from being a comedian to a film star. And she started late in life. You know, she started comedy after she had a big government job, and she went to college, and so she really inspired me a lot.
What kind of other job have you done before?
So many jobs.
Yeah?
So many jobs. I had a lot of work from home jobs, a lot of customer service jobs. So I worked for OkCupid for a while.
Oh,
You know the
dating
dating
app?
app?
Yes.
Have you used it?
No, but I used Tinder, you know, a long time ago.
Are you sure? Because I think I saw you on OkCupid. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah,
Oh my God, scary.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I used to threaten that all the time. When I was working there, I would threaten it in my jokes on stage.
What kind of question everyone does to you?
Well, it's mostly men, and they would write to OkCupid and they would say, why is no one responding to my messages? I think my app is broken.
Oh my God, that's
Please
dramatic.
fix my broken app. And we'd write back and we'd say, it's not broken.
That's reality.
It's working fine, but here's some tips on how to start a conversation. Because sometimes people didn't know the basics. They didn't know that spelling matters.
Wow.
Or that too many physical compliments is off-putting. So we wouldn't tell them anything too crazy. But you know what was funny is people would write into OkCupid and they would complain that we didn't have a phone number. They would say, how come we can't call you?
Oh my God.
And we would say, well, we don't have emergencies. So you can wait. So just email us. And they would get so mad.
Have you ever get like long nail like this?
I don't think so.
This is so long.
Is it gonna change my life?
Yeah.
Am I gonna have a hard time?
I heard. Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard you do cooking a lot.
No, you did not hear that. I never
Just
cook.
kidding. Yeah, you don't cook, so that's good.
Yes, so
Perfect.
that won't be the problem.
Yeah.
But luckily my hair is braided, so I don't have to do
Exactly.
too much hair.
You don't need to do hair. You don't need to do cooking.
Yeah.
What else you have to do? Type.
That's right. Well, you know,
Computer
that's the good thing about comedy too, is when I get to the comedy show, I don't need to bring anything, or
Yeah.
I just show up and they have a microphone and then I just go.
This is really good to holding microphone.
Yeah, I think my pictures on stage are gonna be amazing after this.
Amazing. Yeah. I know. And you have a very long finger. Right?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. You know, your actual nail was beautiful.
Yeah.
So I was gonna keep it, you know, your natural nail, but I think it's nice to have a little dramatic nail.
Yeah, and I wanted the full experience.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
It's so awesome that you get to do something you love.
Yeah, I'm so lucky. to found a nail. I was gonna be a tattoo artist before, but I don't want to get tattoo because I don't like heart, you know?
Yeah.
Do you have a tattoo?
I have 2 tattoos.
What is that?
I have my little brother's name on my ankle.
Cute.
And then I have a couple of music notes behind this ear. Back here.
When did you get?
That was just the behind the ear tattoo was a crazy night in Vegas.
Oh my God.
I had just turned 21.
Uh-huh.
And then when you're 21 and you go to Vegas, the goal is to get so drunk that you get a tattoo. And I accomplished that goal.
Oh my God.
I remember when I woke up, my friends were looking at me kind of crazy, and I was like, what happened?
Yeah.
And there was a little blood on my pillowcase.
Oh my God.
And so I was really afraid. I was like, what did I do?
Yeah.
And they're like, it's okay, you just got a tiny little tattoo behind your ear. And I was like, oh, okay. At least it's not on my face, you know?
Yeah,
It
that's
been worse.
right.
Yeah.
Why you got the music note?
Oh, because I love music so much, and I grew up playing the violin.
Violin. Mm-hmm. That's classic.
Yes, I still play pretty often. I mean, obviously not with long nails.
Mm-hmm.
But,
Yeah.
Music and comedy are very important to me.
Amazing. Have you ever done violin on the stage for comedy?
I haven't. I would like to experiment with it, though.
Maybe you should.
Yeah?
Like back music, you know?
Just do a couple jokes and say, all right, now a song.
Yeah.
That could be
little
cool.
Back music.
Maybe I could even sing as I do it.
That's so cool.
Make a funny song.
Yeah.
Are you my manager? Is that what's happening?
Did I say something very good? Maybe you should start.
Yeah.
I heard you are a big fan of Harry Potter.
Huge fan.
Really?
Read all the books. And I used to make a schedule, and I would plan to read 80 pages a day
Wow.
and finish the book in a week. Because I didn't want to read it too fast,
Uh-huh.
but I wanted to get it done.
Why you don't want to read fast?
Because then it's done and another book doesn't come out for so long. So I would try to
so
take my
cute.
time and not just, absorb it all.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I'm thinking to do something special on your thumb.
Yeah?
Yeah, because, I wanted to make you impress.
Yeah. I'm a little scared.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Scared?
Yeah. You gonna do something even more special? You got me in this white room. What's about to happen?
Well, I can't tell. I can't tell yet. But it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
So why Harry Potter is so much to you?
I think I always really liked stories about orphans because I grew up as an orphan, and we see that all the time in Spider-Man or Batman. This story of this person that doesn't have anyone, and they go up against all these obstacles and find out who they are and what type of strength they have. And so when I first read Harry Potter, it just reminded me a lot of my life and kind of searching for meaning. And it just really resonated, and I just was eager to see how he was going to survive, how he was going to make do without a mom and a dad.
I see. So you are more like a personal reason.
Absolutely.
You like. You know what? It's almost done.
Oh
Are you
man.
excited?
So excited. I don't even know.
Yeah, it's a very cool thumb.
Did you learn a lot about Harry Potter today?
Yeah, because I searched so much. I'm like, oh, wow, so many characters. I didn't even know that. And this shape is really, really sharp.
Wait, what do you call it? Is there a name?
Stiletto.
A stiletto. This is a stiletto nail.
Yeah.
Wow, you trust me a lot.
Stiletto.
You just put stilettos on my hand.
Don't poke someone.
Everybody's getting poked. People love to give me high fives after a show.
Oh my God, dangerous.
Especially men. They're always like, you're so funny. Give me a high five. And I'm
Oh my
always like, can we just shake hands? I'm not really a high five type of girl.
Okay, done. Isn't that cute? That's your name.
Oh man!
I
You
make
put
sure
my name. This whole time I did not notice you were writing my
Really?
own name. I was like, oh, an E. That's different.
Yeah.
You are an artiste.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God, yeah. High five.
Nobody else better ask me high fives.